Your DM tries to move on in the physical world after having rejected you, after having pulled away from you, but he cannot. Awakening happens in both the bodies, usually simultaneously. Now, the work of the DM is in the matrix, in the physical world. So it looks like they are moving on because they are taking all the actions which any normal person in the physical world would take, like getting married at the right time, then concentrating on their career, then taking entire responsibility of their family. So all of these things, so it appears like they are moving on in the physical world, but within them at the soul level it is always you who is vibrating. Their soul is always calling out your name. They are feeling that void without you. They are feeling that energetic pull all the time towards the DF. So the harder they are trying, the more they are feeling the pull towards the connection. And the more they run away, the more they will feel that void, that emptiness. The more they are doing all sorts of work in the physical world, the deeper they are getting into the matrix. The deeper they get into the matrix, the more karma they are going to release. DMs learn lessons through karma release, and you will see that most of the times they turn silent, you not knowing what has happened, or you also do not know how to deal with it. There might be even longer periods of separation. What you need to understand in such situations is that it is their silence is not always about you. Since they have chosen the role to clear, since they have chosen the role to clear karmas, their path is extremely troublesome, is difficult. It is said that it is almost 10 times more difficult than yours, also because they are not aware of this twin flame journey, and they do not know the concept. They also do not know how to navigate through this journey. So all that they are doing is just facing all the troubles that they are coming across in this physical world, and they are surrounded by karmics, so it is more difficult for them. And the best thing you can do in such situations is to let them go completely. It is like you are supposed to surrender completely. That's it. You are supposed to let them go, let them face situations, let them learn lessons, and let them deal with their karmas. They have to play their role, right? One part they are already playing with you is by reflecting your wounds, your negativities, and by pushing you to do your inner work. The other part of their role is like they have to deal with the karmas. They have to settle the karmas that they have taken to like undergo in this lifetime. So you have to just let them go completely. That's it. And trust the universe that they will awaken your DM. Your DM's awakening is actually in the hands of the universe, and you cannot do anything about it except your own inner work. Any part on yours of like trying to awaken your DM will not work. And please like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.